Now, as I'm doing this video right now, Nio is trading at $4.47, up 4.4%. Lioro trading at $24.60, up 7.5%. Xpeng $17.15, up 9.3%. Xpeng is doing the most. It is the EV stock doing the most today, and it has been the stock that recently, if I'm to be honest with you, it has been doing the most. Rivian up 4%, trading at $12.89. Lucid up 5%, trading at $2.94. Zika up 1.6%, trading at $25.44. And last but not least, Tesla up 0.6%, $386.31 is the trading price. Now, what is happening? What we are seeing today is that obviously, like as per the usual, as what we saw even yesterday, Xpeng, it is the one that is doing the most today. What happened earlier on today, apparently we saw JP Morgan coming and downgrading Nio, giving it a neutral rating, which is something that obviously it does not make sense. I don't know if they are doing this based off what is coming from the January deliveries. I mean, it's just so unjustified that you can come and degrade or downgrade a stock based off what you see on a monthly basis. I mean, these guys are the very same guys that even early last year they came and downgraded Nio together with other institutional investors, saying that Nio was not going to do the most, was not going to sell 200,000 vehicles because of the fact that they are not going to launch any new models under the Nio main brand, which we saw something different starting from May, where we saw Nio just consistently delivering over 20,000 deliveries, which is something that was so amazing, and it shocked these guys. So I'm not even surprised why they came again. They are saying they are downgrading Nio, giving a neutral buy, and they don't see the 450,000 sales this year. This is the very same sentiment they shared last year, but let me tell you something, they were bullish when the year was getting closer to the end, which shows you that what their sentiment is. They say sentiment based off what they are seeing, and it is for this reason that I'm saying probably the reason for the neutral or for the downgrade to buy to neutral is simply because they saw the over 13,000 deliveries that Nio sold for the month of January. But personally, on some of the retail investors, including myself, sentiment has not changed. I'm still bullish. I remain long and strong onto Nio, regardless of the share price. I mean, yes, they are up 4.4%, but personally, I believe that Nio should be trying to recover or cover the kind of surging that we've been seeing onto a company like Xpeng. Because like I said yesterday, where we are seeing Xpeng headed, it's going to be valued 2 times the market cap of Nio, which is something that is just so unjustified, right? I mean, Nio today, they celebrated 65 million battery swaps, which the 1 million which took them from 64 to 65, they completed it in 8 days, which we have celebrated. I have shared the video about that, which is just so amazing, and it shows you the potential that lies within this battery swapping station technology. I mean, this technology or these battery swapping stations, they can easily generate Nio very soon in the near future $1 billion in revenues per quarter, which is something that we look forward to. And I think this, when Nio gets to that point, the market will realize that the metrics that they are using to value Xpeng, probably they might have to adjust it a bit for Nio because of this battery swapping station technology, which Xpeng does not have, Lioro does not have, Tesla does not have, Zika does not have, Lucid does not have, Rivian does not have, and all the other new energy vehicle companies, they do not have this technology. And therefore, Nio, this battery swapping technology gives Nio a competitive advantage, which is why I think it should be valued more. They should look into Nio and look at also based on this, because over and above the charging stations which most of these new energy vehicle car companies are deploying, there is what we call battery swapping stations, which this is what makes Nio special. This is what makes Nio stand out, and I'm going to continue loading the boat because of this mode that we got to read about Nio's battery swapping stations. I mean, just today in Germany, we read that Nio will be giving a 60,000 free swaps for those people that are buying the ET7 or the ET5 in Germany. Encourage people to buy, when they buy Nio cars, they subscribe to bus. This is good news. I mean, this strategy, we have seen it working in China, and chances are very high that we are going to see it working also in Europe, which is something that is great, and we look forward to that. I mean, this is a 2-year free battery swap service fee. So those that buy ET5 and ET7 in Germany will have the 60,000 of free driving. They won't pay any battery swapping services, which is $25 in China, and I still don't know, or I'm not sure how much it costs in Europe, but in China it's $25. So they won't pay for this service, which they pay over and above every time they go and perform a battery swap. So this is 60,000 or 2 years, or the first 2 years after buying the Nio ET5 or the ET7, which, like I said, it is a good catalyst, it is a good incentive, and hopefully it boosts sales in Germany. So yeah, man, this is what we are seeing. Nio up 4%, trading at $4.47. Hopefully we end the day on a green. Hopefully we see Nio ending the day very well, as this is a stock that has been punished for quite some time, but hopefully things get better with time. Hopefully the Nio sales recover, which is something that is great, which will be so great and will relieve the Nio share price. But obviously we know that the short sellers, if there's one Chinese equity that they target a lot, it has to be Nio. And because of that, let's hope, let's see how things unfold. But there will be a day that they cannot short this stock anymore. There will be a day where they will be squeezed out of this stock and they will leave Nio forever, which is something that we have seen onto stocks like SoFi, stocks like Palantir, who they've done so well in terms of the share price. I mean, this is something that we look forward to, something that I think that we are going to see very soon onto Nio, especially when they get to profitability. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.